Hello, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I made this ghost. I used 2mm seed beads and 0.3mm nylon cord. Before I start, I like to explain the graphics so they're easier to understand. These are the new beads we add. The cross shows that we have to pull both ends of a cord through this bead or one side twice. I'll let you know when this is the case. Here we just have to pull the cord through a bead that's already there. So let's begin. Here we have to add 4 beads to the left cord and pull your cord through the first like this. Now add a black bead to the same cord and pull both ends through a white bead. Now we have to pull the cord through the bead on the top. And so on. Similar situation like before, add 4 beads, but this time pull your cord through the second of them. So we only have 2 at the bottom. It will look nice and round when we connect both sides together later on. Now we pull both ends through another white bead. Here we have to pull the right cord through the white and black bead. So now we only have to add 1 bead. This time we only have to add 3 beads and pull your cord through the first. Same thing like on the other eye. Then I make 2 knots and seal them with glue. When we have our second ghost, we can connect them like usual. we pull our cord through the first bead, add a new one, and then pass the cord through the second bead. And add a new one. Same with the beads on the bottom. In these two places I don't add a new bead, I just cross the cords like this. I add one in between. And skip the next one again. Of course, I repeat the same thing on the other side as well. For this ghost, I decided to use some fiber fill. I just feel like it's a nice touch to add some volume, but of course it's not necessary. At the end, we pull our cord through the first bead. And make our knots. Lastly, I trim off some of the filling. And we're done. Now I show you how I made a ring. It's very simple. Take a short piece of cord and pull your cord through these 3 beads. Now we can add as many beads as we need to each side, and that's basically it. See you next time.